we are checking lang ano yung pinakamura na rent ng costume and then free hair and makeup. I'm wearing rubber shoes, so if you guys are planning to do this, make sure may dalawang flats. So they also gave us free water. And then there's our photographer. We're on the way to the temple. So we're super tired now, but Kirsten, dami niya pang energy. Stopping to get drinks lang because it's super hot. We got our drinks. I got peach iced tea. Kate got lemonade and then my donut here. We recommend itong shop because I think cheaper sila compared to others. So we're going to the next temple, which is what? Oh my god! Actually, okay lang. That's where we're gonna eat, guys. Paglabas lang siya nung ferry station. Paglagay lang kayo ng ice sa tumbler para yung water is always cold. It really helps with the heat. Sa Saudi. Rating, pad thai. Pang mga 7. Ito din 7. Hey guys, so we are going to the Grand Palace entrance. Pero 1 kilometer away, so we're gonna ride tuk-tuk for 100 baht. Oh my god, nasinghot ko yung... We are here at a cafe. This is the first cafe na we're gonna visit. So we're here in Bubble in the Forest. Surprisingly, walang tao. Di kami nakapagpa-reserve pero nakuha namin yung table that we want, which is yung dun. Gonna transfer kasi may mga gamu-gamu ata yan. We're gonna transfer. Nakapag-pictures naman na kami. And we ordered food na, pero we're just gonna eat it somewhere else. This is what we ordered here sa Bubble in the Forest. Fried pork, sea bass, chicken, and then 2 rice. And then we got Coke ang cool, may Thai caramel. So we're here sa floating market, pero di naman na-foresee na sarado siya. It's like English. Thank kapag ka. Shocking. Saya. Little dog. Check. Do you have? Yeah, so dito kami sa isang stall. Super bait na ate. Like, she's very accommodating. Namakyaw kami ng mga Thailand shirts.
Large and black.
Sobrang cute kasi yun. Like, imagine wearing that while working out. Tapos naka-cycling shorts ka. So, I bought XL for that. So, whenever I travel, I always make it a point to buy at least 1 keychain kasi I'm collecting. And this is super cute. I'm gonna buy one for me and my sister para matchy kami. For 100 baht kasi siya, we're gonna see if merong mas cheaper. Oh, it's so cute! So we're getting yung cash card muna kasi that's the payment method here sa food court. So meron pala kaming shared budget, guys, para hindi kami nalilito. So, here's the card. One of my non-negotiables, sabi ko mag-photo booth kami. Sakto may nakita kong photo booth dito. Finally, take a train going to the hotel kasi legit 1 station away lang siya. Kasi mag-grab pa kami. Even if ang dami naming dala. Kailangan namin magsuot ng ito kasi may construction sa Hey guys, so we are here sa isang garden area. Yung highlight of this place is the elephant, so, and also may traditional Thai show. Kirsten is your typical tita turista.
Thank you.